As a matter of fact, believe it or not, Katy Perry is also on that track.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. And he's actually knocked Despacito off the charts in the UK. Calvin Harris featuring Pharrell Williams, Katy Perry, and Big Sean is the new number one, which is a bit of a shocker for everyone in the UK. And Despacito has been knocked out of the number one position.
There you go. FYI, 8:33 is the time on the clock. This is something brand new that you can check out. And from what I hear, these cars are selling real fast. You might not even have